So you hungry? Yeah? Wow. You want food now, yes? Okay. I'm gonna give you medicine and gonna give you food and you can take rest now. Yes. Leg leg band. Yes. Yes. There's a lot of pain in the leg. Yeah. I've given you medicine, it will give you relief. Oh my baby. You're gonna find and I'm gonna release you in the wild where you can meet your species and probably you'll find your parents soon. Yes, God bless you. See, that is these creatures are so beautiful. They understand this is a wild bird, but he still understands that I'm helping you. He has got two fractures, one on the ankle, one on the femur, and this tibia. This badly tibia is having sore and is swelling. It's very much painful. I know how much he's been going through. That's so painful, baby, but you'll be fine. Yeah. Now I'm gonna have to give him medicine. Yeah, and the food. Yeah. The species name is Indian Pitta. They are beautiful singing birds. If you hear the voice, you'll just go mad. See, he's gone into sleep. But as I move my hand, he gets up. Yeah, he's asking me for the food.